Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming HDB permission and identifying the exact door model because mounting brackets differ. This avoids rework. Put on gloves and eye protection, then clear a 1.5-meter workspace and lay a drop cloth. Next, remove trim screws and expose hinge fasteners. Use a marker to record hinge alignment marks so you can restore fit. Once done, support the door with a floor jack or assistant. This prevents sudden drops. Make sure to keep screws in labeled containers for reinstallation. You now work systematically from top hinge to bottom, removing hinge pins or mounting bolts while the door remains supported. This preserves alignment. Once hinges are loosened, slide the door free and set on padded sawhorses. Then remove the latch and lock assembly, labeling any wiring or linkages and photographing their positions. If the door has a drop seal or threshold clip, pry those gently. Finally, unscrew frame anchors with the correct bit size. Avoid over-torquing so you do not strip threads or crack concrete. You complete the job by cleaning the frame, replacing worn hinges or anchors, and fitting the door back using your alignment marks. Hand thread all fasteners, then tighten to spec while checking swing and lock engagement. Make small hinge adjustments and add 1 2mm shims where needed. This corrects binding without forcing the door. Once satisfied, torque fasteners to spec and reinstall trim. If the door binds or won't latch, loosen top, hinge slightly, and retest. That one adjustment solves most alignment issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.